Hello, and welcome to HubSpot Tutorials by Webdo. I am Mike, your guide and friend. How to create a scheduled workflow in HubSpot. Schedule a workflow to recur at regular, predetermined intervals. Records will only enroll in the workflow once the scheduled date is reached. To set schedule workflow. In your HubSpot account, navigate to Automation and click Workflows. In the upper right, click Create Workflow. In the left panel, click the Start from Scratch tab. In the left panel, select Object-Based to select your workflow object type. This determines what type of records can be enrolled in the workflow. Scheduled workflows can be used with all workflow object types. In the right panel, under Choose Type, select Schedule. From here, you can set up the schedule for your workflow to recur. If you want a workflow to recur daily, click the Schedule Trigger drop-down menu and select Daily. Click the Time of Day drop-down menu and select the time that the workflow will execute every day. Similarly, you can create a scheduled workflow on weekly or monthly basis and select the time. And select the day of the week or a month in the drop-down menu and select the checkboxes next to the days you want the workflow to execute. Click the Time of Day drop-down menu and select the time that the workflow will execute. If you'd like the workflow to trigger on a flexible day of the month, such as every last day of the month on a specific time, in the Day of the Month section, select the Flexible Days option. Click the Day of Month drop-down menu and select the day you want the workflow to execute. Click the Time of Day drop-down menu and select the time that the workflow will execute. You can also schedule a workflow to recur annually. Click the Schedule Trigger drop-down menu and select Annually. Select the month, day, and time in the drop-down menu to schedule your workflow. Once done, click Next. Now here, select your enrollment triggers and actions to add to the workflow. If you decide to change your workflow schedule after creating the workflow, you can do so from within the workflow editor. In the workflow editor, click Schedule Trigger. In the right panel, select your new workflow schedule. Click Save. Any schedule changes will take effect immediately. That's how you can create a scheduled workflow in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section, and we will be happy to answer. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and press the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. To know about our HubSpot services, visit us on www.webdo.com.